So it's worth it kasi blue is one of my favorite color, and dalawa po yung ginagamit kong gadget. So it's worth it for using it to arts in iPad and Ibis Paint, so I can draw more better and practice more better. And it comes with the free like this. I don't know what it's called, but I think you use it for your hair. And ayun, blue is one of my favorite color and it works perfectly. So mabait din yung seller at yung nag-deliver. So thank you po.
Sinasabi mo kaya mo naman. Kaya ko naman po, malakas pa ako. Magbabalat na ako ng gusto ng buto. Sa kanilang payag, nag-iwagsinwaling buhay.
Pips. Ba't yung picture?
Ito mo, ayaw.
Ha? Ayaw pa.
Sa Metro Manila, isang judge sa Metro Manila, at sinerve din doon sa Panay. No? Parang nangyari din ngayon dito sa Southern Tagalog, ang search warrant ay nanggaling din dito sa isang korte.
Alright, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Chef, you are there.
Sabi ko baka may mamiss siyang ano. Yes. 100 years old na yun, pero hanggang ngayon, gumagawa pa rin ng